Here you can see that the intake rocker arm is loose, while the extake is pretty tight. Remember that you should always set your engine at top dead center before performing a valve clearance job. In order to determine if your engine is set at top dead center, remove the spark plug and insert a long screwdriver. As you rotate the crank, the screwdriver will move up or down. Rotate the crank until your screwdriver achieves its highest point. It means that the piston is already at top dead center. Second thing to remember is that there should be no tension on the valve springs. Otherwise, it is not yet on top dead center. Rotate it once more to achieve the top dead center. But in my case, before I assembled the engine head, I had already set the timing of the engine at top dead center. The valve on the intake side is loose, and the extake is really tight, which is out of the standard specification. Here are the filler gauges that you're gonna need for this GX160 engine. The filler gauge in the intake valve is pretty loose, while in the extake, it couldn't get in due to tight fitting. Use a 14mm and a 10mm wrench. First, loosen the lock nut. Then, you can just tighten the adjuster nut by your fingers. Insert the filler gauge and tighten the adjuster nut. After you tighten the adjuster nut, you should be able to move the filler gauge. It should not have any clearance. It should fit perfectly, meaning it is not hard nor easy to move. It should have a small resistance when you push or pull the filler gauge. Also, it should have a smooth feeling when you move the filler gauge. Then, I will hold the adjuster nut while tightening the lock nut. After that, try to insert the filler gauge and see if it fits, which in this case, it doesn't. So I have to decrease or loosen the adjuster nut. After adjusting it, this is how it is. It fits smooth with a small resistance. Next is the extake, which is extremely tight. I will adjust it like how I did with the intake side. Test it again to see if it fits. And here, I made a small adjustment again. When you're finished adjusting your valves, put your gasket first and reinstall the rocker head cover. So there you have it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you very much for watching and God bless.